Yesterday I withdrew 1030 points from Bitcoin Blast. Now we will check my Coinbase account if we receive my payment from Bitcoin Blast. Click Accounts and open BTC Wallet. I received 103 Satoshi from Bootstrap Legal Incorporated. So therefore, this is 100% free legit paying Bitcoin mobile application. Hello everyone, today we install new mobile application that you can earn free Bitcoin by playing games. First, you must have a Coinbase account because they will pay only in Coinbase. If none, just check my description below for the tutorial. Open Play Store application and type Bitcoin Blast and install. Open the application and next click register here. Type your email ad. Take note your email ad should be the same as your Coinbase email address because they will pay only through your Coinbase account. Next, type your password. Click register, and after register we can sign in now. To start the application, you need to watch the advertisement. On this, the application also earned through advertisement. Just click watch. I agree. Click play. So it's very easy, just swipe on the coins of the same color to destroy them. Currently, I have 5 loyalty points. To start again, just repeat the first method, click watch and play the next level. Once you reach 1000 points, the next 24 hours you can start to play again. At the same time, you can also cash out your points.
Hit the like button and share it to your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to notify you on my next video. Thank you and